What's up, guys? So I've got a 2007 Jeep Grand Cherokee with the 5.7 Hemi in it, and it's been acting real funny lately. I'm thinking the timing chain is a little stretched because it starts sputtering and starts acting funny. But anyways, we're doing a compression test today, and what you want to do, I've already started it. You know, I've already done a couple cylinders, but you want to take all your coils off. But these are all my coils right here. Sorry for the mess, guys. And I numbered them to each cylinder. You don't necessarily have to do that, but that's what I did because I like to keep everything in order and the way it's supposed to go back together. So take all your coils off. Of course, take the top cover off, which is right here. Then I took off the mounting bracket that's on it. And I also took off the air filter housing, the canister, whatever you want to call that. I got all that off. And then I pulled, this engine has 16 spark plugs. So I pulled one spark plug off of each cylinder. And you can tell I've already got 8 of them out. This one's missing one. I don't even know where it went. I lost it somewhere. But it's out. There it is right there. But, okay, after you get your coils off, what you want to do is you want to disconnect your fuel injectors too. That way you don't put gas inside your cylinders while you're doing your compression test. Okay, and I've already got all that done. Excuse me. And I've also got a battery charger connected to my battery because as I got like halfway through my compression test, my battery started getting low. And what happens is if you have a low battery charge, it'll give you a false reading on your compression test. So always make sure that you have a full charged battery when you're doing a compression test. And I just got this tool yesterday. It's a snap-on because I don't trust the Harbor Freight junk or the Craftsman gauges or the O'Reilly gauges or anything like that on my personal vehicles. So I bought this off a snap-on truck the other day and it was like $250. But you know what, guys? Good tools are worth it because they last long, and I'll never need another compression tester again, ever. Because that's lifetime warranty right there. And I know Harbor Freight's all lifetime too and all that stuff, but Snap-on is the only way to go. I don't like Matco. I don't like Mac. I like Cornwell, but I don't trust their gauges. If it's anything like this, I go Snap-on all the way, guys. So, but yeah, number your cylinders, and I've already done it kinda. You know, this is 1, 3, 5, 7 on this particular engine, and then 2, 4, 6, 8, and then I've already gotten some of my compression tests readings done. So you guys might want to write it down. And this is on a cold engine, of course. I didn't let the engine get hot and do it on a hot engine, and you will get different readings on a cold engine compared to a hot engine. And also you'll get different readings on a dry cylinder compared to a wet cylinder. And what that means, guys, is if I squirt a wet, this is a dry cylinder test or a dry compression test. So if I squirt oil inside the cylinder walls through the spark plug holes, that means that the cylinder walls and the piston rings and all that's going to be wet from oil. And that oil will cover the gaps inside your rings. If you got worn rings, it'll cover the gaps right there in between the piston rings and the walls. And that'll give you a higher compression reading. But this is a cold engine, and I'm doing it dry right now. Because I don't like working on hot engines, and I just want to see what's going on. I'm just testing the integrity and the life of my engine right now is all I'm doing. But yeah, take your time. You can do 1, 3, 5, 7, or you can do it in the firing order. You can go 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if you want to. And that's how I'm doing it right now. But you guys can do it however you want to. Just make sure you got a fully charged battery and good gauges. And make sure you write everything down. That way you don't forget it, and you got it all documented and all that kind of stuff. So that's my video today. I hope you guys were happy with it. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message on the video, or whatever you want to do. But have a good day, guys. Thank you for watching.